think the next 5, 10, 15 years, we're going to see such a dramatic change for the industry, because at the moment, we're the second biggest polluter behind automobiles, the fashion industry. We have an opportunity to actually switch that round and become a really planet and people positive industry. So I think that's what we all need to get behind, and that's certainly what I'm excited about. And within RÆBURN, we really see that our place is to continue to inspire, to provoke, and ultimately to evolve the industry. Because if we carry on doing what we're doing now, the industry is going to die. We can't do that. So we've got to evolve or die. My name is Christopher Raeburn. I'm the creative director here at RÆBURN, and our brand is all about responsible design. Since 2009, we've really been trying to do things in a different way. And ultimately, we want to change the world through the way that we're working and through responsible design. The 3 words that I'd say really define the way that we work. RÆBURN is all about being disruptive, it's about being innovative, and we hope about being really inspiring as well. When I start to think about spring 21, the collection we'll be showing at Pitti is all about rejuvenation. It's about working with what we already have, and it's about bringing more value to those pieces. Rather than having this word sustainability that sometimes it can be a bit ambiguous, if we're being honest, we're actually talking about our responsibility and our actions behind them. All the way back from 2009, in fact, we've only done 3 things. We either remake, reduce, or recycle. So the remade part of our work, it's all about deconstructing, reworking original military pieces, and we do all of that work here in the RÆBURN lab. We also then do reduced products, so that's a focus on waste reduction, local manufacturing, and then finally our outerwear and our accessories tends to be recycled. So we call it then the 3 R's, and what's really important is the way that they work together. They help to support each other. It's all about going out and reusing original materials, and that's still the biggest inspiration for us today. When I think about my own personal life and the way that I impact on the environment, I try and do everything I can to reduce that impact. So I cycle every day to the studio. When I think about a little kind of personal project I have at the moment, it's all about composting. So at home in my apartment, I have a worm farm. They eat the waste, and then they make this really nutrient-rich liquid you can put on your houseplants. So it's a really good way of actually learning about your kind of impact in a fun way, reducing that. Personally, I'm really excited about the future of our industry. You've got enough customers and a community actually saying, hey, we want more, and we expect more. Hopefully starting to inspire others within the industry to think differently about the way they're manufacturing, and ultimately about our kind of relationship between consumption and production, I think is really important. When I think about RÆBURN and the future for us, it's a really exciting moment because we've always tried to do things differently. Starting first with remade, reduced, recycled, and now as I look to the future, we launched a new capsule, RAYfound, a real provocation to the industry for others to learn from, to educate and inspire. And we firmly believe that this isn't just about us as a brand, it's about a whole movement. We all need to work together to make that difference and make a really positive change.